Hey guys, welcome back to Canadian Parinde. Remember the video we talk about too many different cities, and we promise you we'll be taking you along with us to each one of it.
So we're gonna start with Kitchener-Waterloo,
which is our hometown.
We're gonna show you different parts of the city. We're gonna take you to different neighborhoods, show you the best neighborhoods to live at. We're also gonna show you where the resale houses are, good resale houses, where the new construction homes are. Lastly, we're also gonna talk about jobs within the city.
Come join us in our today's video.
So Kitchener-Waterloo is located almost 11,000 kilometers from New Delhi and another 86 kilometers from Toronto Pearson Airport and 139 kilometers from Niagara Falls.
Unlike any other city where downtown is the life of the city, Kitchener is quite different. Here we have our uptown in Waterloo, which we're gonna cover in our next video. Well, the city has a great influence from German culture, and that's because a lot of German-speaking immigrants has moved here around in 1840. The street that you are seeing behind me is the King Street. Now, this street actually connects three different cities: Waterloo, Kitchener, and the Cambridge. The street is quite famous for all the local businesses because it really gave a huge potential for our local businessmen. And the street is quite very famous throughout the summers, fall until the winter time, because all the famous TD festival, the RIP festival, Oktoberfest actually happens here.
Downtown is very important because there are a lot of high-rise buildings, rental buildings, condo buildings, a lot of businesses here. There's a Grand River terminal here where the Greyhound bus, and there's a Via Rail nearby. So it's a very nice place to live if you like to live in a place which is like busy, crowded. We are like, let's explore the cities, not only from, to see what good in city and just to explore, also gonna find out what are the good communities to live at.
What opportunities the city offer, how can you buy the property there, are those cities actually offer much of the jobs. So this summer, guys, join us exploring different cities and let us know which city you want us to explore next. Guys, right now we are at the Victoria Park in Kitchener downtown. Now, I actually don't even remember from how long we have been coming to this park. We usually come here for leisure walk or to enjoy the picnic with Arshia now and before her time. This is one of the most beautiful park that we have in Kitchener-Waterloo, and it's definitely a must to visit if you are visiting our city. Initially, the name of the city was Town of Berling, which was changed to City of Berling in 1912 and finally eventually to the city of Kitchener in 1916. Guys, if you have a budget to splurge and you want to buy yourself a mansion, don't underestimate Kitchener-Waterloo because we have one of the most beautiful community known in Ontario. Welcome to Hidden Valley. This neighborhood is considered Kitchener's most luxurious neighborhood with most expensive home in all of the Kitchener-Waterloo, situated along the Grand River in the south and offer easy access to the 401. This elite neighborhood set on the banks of Grand River. That means every single house has the view to river in their backyard. And you know what? The smallest house on this street actually start from 2.5 million, and that's just a listing price. So you can imagine where it actually goes. Fairview Park location. Now this is the perfect area to live in, especially if you want to rent a house, you are new in Canada, or if you don't have a car, because this area is very well connected to each and every corner of the Kitchener. It has a good connectivity throughout the Kitchener, Waterloo and Cambridge, through bus terminal, through LRT, and this is a hub especially for the students and for the young families who want to rent in a high-rise building. I'm sitting right in front of a Fairview Park Mall, which is one of the top mall in Kitchener if you're really fan of shopping around. Opposite to the mall there is a Cineplex, so if you're a big fan of watching movies, again you can come here maybe in the late nights and enjoy it. Every time we come here, we are amazed by this spectacular view. We actually get to see our city from the top. It's an amazing point. Let's take a few seconds talking about the communities now. Here in Kitchener Waterloo, we have close to 28 neighborhoods. Each have its pros and cons. So in today's video, we're gonna actually divide them into 3 categories. So guys, if you are looking forward to buy yourself a brand new house, well, there is lots of projects happening in and out our city. Big builders like Activa, Matami, they are always coming up with few projects in one community or the another one. The new areas that you might want to look at is either the Dune South, Huron Park, and if you're lower in budget, you may want to explore the opportunities of condo, which is around near downtown Kitchener and well under the $450,000. And there is one more amazing community here, which is Bruslow. Not many people outside Kitchener is aware of this beautiful community. Well, you find lots of resale and the new construction happening here. Next, we will be taking you down there with us. Guys, right now we are in a community called Bruslow, which actually comes under the township of Woolwich, which in fact is a part of city of Waterloo region. This community is conveniently located because this is like 10 minutes away from Kitchener downtown and only 20 minutes away from downtown Guelph. So if you have to travel within the city, this is a perfect spot. Being said, there are not many amenities within the Bruslow. If you have to do the shopping, if you have to run the errands, you have to step up to the nearest grocery store, which is in Waterloo or either in Kitchener. So, if living closer to Highway 401 or 8 is your preference, then the upcoming 3 communities, it will actually beat any other neighborhood any time of the year. Number 1 is Pioneer Park. Well, this is in and around 401 within a 5 minutes. So if you are a nature lover just like us who love to explore the trail, this community offers lots of green space, the urban feel, and lots of trails that you can explore with your family, plus some great schools in the city. Huron Park, that's our second best neighborhood. Well, this is just like 10 minutes away from both the highways, and you know what, apart from offering the new townhouses or the semi-detached houses, this community is soon gonna have a recreational park. City has realized the potential and they are soon gonna develop a big IT hub. No wonder our city is known to be a second Silicon Valley in North America. Kitchener is very well connected via public transportation. Talking about going to Toronto, we have a GO train here, scheduled 2 times in a whole day for now, and it takes around closer to 2 hours to reach downtown Toronto. Now, we have recently seen major improvement in transportation, including the completion of LRT, which is actually connecting 3 different cities, Kitchener, Waterloo and Cambridge. Guys, so this employment opportunity, the business development, infrastructure expansion, they all have contributed in continuing the advancement of this city. The region is growing rapidly and is definitely a great opportunity for investor or the first-time home buyers. Kitchener is renowned for its great school in almost every community. If your kids are ready to go to university, or even if you are an international student, then we have 3 options to offer in our city. University of Waterloo, which is the well-renowned university throughout Canada. In past few years, we have seen lots and lots of international students coming to Laurier University in Conestoga College thanks to the program that they have started offering. Keep in mind, a large percentage of these graduates tend to stay in the region due to the employment opportunities. Guys, there are ton and tons of activities from canoeing to enjoying camping to actually go out on our trails that we have actually enjoyed in a normal life pre-COVID world. I really wish we could have showed you, and definitely this video is not enough to explain how nice our city is. But time is the limit, my friend. We'll see you soon next week exploring any new city which we don't know yet, but we definitely want you there. Make sure you subscribe and like to our channel. We'll see you soon. You take care and have a beautiful week to yourself.